The main armament of the Sturmtiger was a 380 mm Raketenwerfer 61, a breech-loading barrel which fired a short-range rocket-propelled projectile roughly 1.5 meter long. There were a variety of round types with a weight of up to 376 kilograms and a maximum range of up to 6,000 meters. Due to the bulkiness of the ammunition, only 14 rounds could be carried internally, of which one was already loaded, with another in the loading tray. The rest were carried in 2 storage racks. It was intended that each Sturmtiger would be accompanied by an ammunition carrier. The first concept was to use the standard Opel Blitz truck as a motorized logistical support vehicle. But then there was another and much better solution: the Munitionspanzer Panther. This tank was a version of the Panther armored recovery vehicle. There was a square superstructure where the turret of the tank was, and a winch was embedded in the hull of the tank. A large earth spur at the stern was used for support. Furthermore, the Panther had a simple crane boom with a load capacity of 1.5 tons. Theoretically, a Munitionspanzer Panther was a Panther with the winch and recovery gear removed to carry ammunition for the Sturmtiger. Around 300 Panthers were built from September of 1943 onwards, and some of them were converted into a Munitionspanzer, so an ammunition carrier. 3 new companies were raised to operate the Sturmtiger: Panzersturmöser Company or Armored Assault Mortar Company 1000, 1001 and 1002. These originally were supposed to be equipped with 14 vehicles, but this figure was later reduced to 4 each, divided into 2 platoons of 2 vehicles. There is no mention of the Munitionspanzer Panther in the detailed table of organization and equipment for Panzersturmöser Company. That is why I suppose that both the Opel Blitz munition truck and the Munitionspanzer was used to resupply the vehicles. Loading the rounds inside the tank was also a very difficult task. To help with the loading of the ammunition into the vehicle, a loading crane was fitted at the rear right-hand corner of the superstructure next to the loading hatch. Even then, the entire 5-man crew had to help with the loading. The crane lowered the shell into one of the 2 storage racks inside the vehicles, and the vehicle was ready to fire.